Hola, ¿cómo están? ¿Qué tal? Vamos a aprender el alfabeto. We are going to practice the alphabet today, okay? So what I'd like you to do is to listen the first time and then repeat the second time, the alphabet and the sound, okay? We'll begin. A. A. Alfombra. Alfombra. B. B. Bate. Bate. C. C. Cine. Cine. D. D. Dinero. Dinero. E. E. Entrada. Entrada. F. F. Fruta. Fruta. G. G. Gato. Gato. H. H. Helado. Helado. I. I. Iglú. Iglú. J. J. Jabón. 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 K. K. Karate. Karate. L. L. Lápiz. Lápiz. M. M. Mochila. Mochila. N. N. Nariz. Nariz. Ñ. Ñ. Ñu. Ñu. O. O. Oreja. Oreja. P. P. Patines. Patines. Q. Q. Queso. Queso. R. R. Regalo. Regalo. S. S. Sofá. Sofá. T. Tiza. Tiza. T. U. Uvas. Uvas. B. V. Ventana. Ventana. W. W. Waffle. X. X. Xilófono. Xilófono. Y. Y. Yogur. Yogur. Z. Z. Zapato. Zapato. Ahora veamos a estas letras que tienen dos letras unidas y tienen un sonido diferente. Now we talk about two letters with a sound together. The letter C and the letter H. C y H. C y H sounds che, che, chaqueta, chaqueta.
My name is Pablo.
L y L
My name is Pablo.
es doble L. Llave, llave. Suena ya, ya, llave. La doble R, R. Como en guitarra, guitarra. So as you see, a lot of the sounds in Spanish, especially the sounds of the consonants, are very similar as in English. Now in English, the consonants are very strong and the vowels are very soft, but long, right? That's English. You have sometimes different sounds depending of the word. Now, the Spanish sounds of vowels are very short and sweet, I like to call it. So, for example, if you have the letter A, in Spanish is a, and it does not travel. It does not go, it's just a, like alfombra. The letter E in Spanish is e. It's, the sound matches its name. It never changes. All the vowels will always repeat their sound. E, a, e, like elefante, entrada. La letra I, iglú, iglú. La letra O, la vocal O, oreja, O. Y la letra U, uvas, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Very nice and short. If you use the sounds of the vowels in Spanish and apply it to every single word in Spanish, your pronunciation will be a lot better. Let's try it. And remember, try to split the words in syllables. For example, the word patines. You have 1, 2, 3 syllables. Patines, patines. This word here, queso, has 2 syllables. Queso, queso. Regalo has 3. Regalo. Make sure that you put the emphasis on the vowels on each syllable. E, a, e, I, o, u. And one thing to remember is that double L in Spanish has the sound of a ya, like a yacht. Llave. All right. So now that you have these sounds, let's do a little bit of work. Let's do an activity together. Okay, so what we're going to do here, you're going to identify each of the Spanish alphabets letters. So a responder on page 10, you're going to click first in the audio and then click on the questions, okay? And the questions will come out as soon as the vowel comes, as soon as the sound, the audio comes out as well.
Lección preliminar. A responder. Listen to letters of the Spanish alphabet. Write each letter that you hear on a piece of paper and hold it up.
So what are you going to do, okay? You're going to go to this activity, activity 10, and you're going to hear it, and you're going to write here the name of each one of the letters you hear, okay? So, if, for example, if you hear un número 1,
1. L.
L. L. Which one will be L? So if you recognize L, you write it like that. Then go to the next one, the número 2.
Dos.
¿Cuál es el número 2?
E.
E. E.
R.
What's E? E. A, E, I, O, U. Correct. E. E. And so on and so forth. After you finish with that activity, you listen to all of them, get familiar with them, and submit it, okay? Then you are going to continue with the alphabet, practicing with the alphabet by going to and complete activity 11, okay? So let me show you what you have to do here. I'm sorry, activity 8. So here is what you have to do. Listen to someone dictate an invitation list for a party. Write down each name as it's spelled. So now you're going to listen and you're going to spell it. For example, you hear D, A, N, I, E, L. Then you write Daniel. That's what you will have to do there. So make sure that you click on the audio first and then the question, okay? You might have to try that a couple of times, okay? Remember, 3 times is the max. Then you go to activity 9. Activity 9 says work in a group of 3. Obviously, we can't work in groups right now, so you're gonna have to do it on your own and create a little bit of a little conversation, okay? Por ejemplo, ¿cómo te llamas? Oh, me llamo Shauna. And then you spell the name Shauna. Spell your name. S-H-A-W-N-A. Okay? Simple as that. If you want to, you can spell your own name, okay? By saying, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo David or David. Spell D-A-V-I-D. David. And then you go here and complete the ABC activity 10, ABC. Spell out the following things were partner. So you're just going to go over here in the questions and you are going to just spell it, okay? I'll show you how to do one. So in this activity, you are going to spell aloud, okay? So if you are at home, that's something that you're gonna have to do at home because a mobile device will not do it. So all you gotta do is you're gonna select one of these things and you're going to spell it. For example, you can spell your middle name and say, my middle name is, and then you spell it in Spanish, okay? Alexander, A-L-E-X-A-N-D-E-R. And that's it. Or you can spell your name, your favorite sports team, you can spell your favorite singer, or the name of your school, okay? Any of these things will do, and you record it and then submit it. And that will be our class for today. Now, be ready for class discussion because we're gonna make some points, okay? And ask me when we're in class, why is it that the letter H is silent? Do you know the story of the letter H? I'll tell you during the class discussion. I'll see you in a few minutes. Adios.